Reforming campaigns worldwide denote the campaigns in a whole, and microsome means the whole of a complex structure, while meager and measly means contemptibly small or few. So observers from both the United States and Europe say Australia, but in an accelerated or more dramatic fashion, is a whole or microsome for the fate of reforming campaigns worldwide. So choice B is the correct answer for blank one. Hopes for rapid progress, which is positive, collide with the hard reality of ecclesial, that is anything relating to or constituting a church or denomination. Negativism are uncompromising issues, that is unwilling or refusing to change one's view or to agree about something. Meekness as choice E means submissiveness, which is opposite to the prediction because the progress collide, and so ecclesial issues cannot be submissive. Contingence means affinity, which is also merged with choice E and collide, as collide is a detour sign, so it is also unfit as correct answer. So collide is a detour sign here. We have to remember it. Now, intransigence as choice D means anything uncompromising, so it can collide with the rapid progress by being uncompromising. Choice D is so fit as correct answer for blank 2. Choice D fits blank 2. So the correct answers are choice B and choice D.